Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I'm just going to show you how to replace the battery on this iPhone 6s. So right now I've already taken it apart and we've tested out the battery, so I just plugged it in. I haven't actually installed it, and it turns on with the new battery. It was originally at 33%, and then I left it to charge for a while and it's now at 58. So this seems to have fixed the issue of this phone. So what we're going to do is replace the battery. So I'm going to disconnect what it would be the new battery. Now with the 6S's, they always have this adhesive down here at the bottom. It might be hard to tell in the video, but pretty much you just take that and you peel it up. It should just pull off nicely, but sometimes as this stuff ages, it gets brittle and it'll snap just like that. If that happens, you want to just make sure you got some tweezers on hand so that you can grab it. Otherwise, you might need to use like a pry tool to pull the battery up a little bit so you can grab it. But once you've got it, you can just pull it all the way out. You're going to have this white sticky stuff here is underneath. It's what they put on all of the newer phones for the batteries. So we're going to go ahead and do the second strip because there are two on the 6S. And we're going to do the same thing. Yep, this one does not keeps wanting to break. So now that I've got it, I'm just going to keep constant pressure and it's going to break again. But that's okay. I'm going to grab it again. And this one's actually, this battery is letting go of its adhesive a lot more easily than some of the other ones we've done. So this is the old battery. I mean, it's not inflated or anything, but you know, a customer came in because it wouldn't turn on. So new battery. You've got the flaps down here, same ones that we just peeled off of the old one. I'm going to, reveal the covering, fold them over, push them down so that they're there for the next person to be able to pull off. We're going to take this off the back, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to plug this in before I lay it flat, and then I will put it down and I'll kind of press it a little bit closer to the motherboard so that I know that this is the right place. It's a pain when you accidentally put it down and maybe it's a little too high or a little too low, and your connector doesn't line up quite right because those, while you just laid it down, that adhesive is pretty strong. So you want to avoid having to do that. Now once I have the battery in, I'll go ahead and put the shield back on. I already took this off earlier, so we're going to go ahead and put it down, and I'm going to grab my screwdriver. Long screw is on the left side, and right screw is the shorty. So we'll go ahead and put this down. Go ahead and make sure it turns on. There you go, you got the Apple logo. I'm gonna walk it all the way back, and then I just gotta put the pen lobes back in. Sometimes it doesn't want to angle quite right, so you can either use, get it on the screwdriver or put it in the hole with your finger. And there we go. It is all installed. Phone is fully back on, and it's got a brand new battery. Thank you guys for watching. You have a nice night.